The Moto G series is about to get another edition. It won't be the Moto G Stylish 2021 just yet or the Moto G10 Play. Motorola is still anticipated to introduce the Moto G 5G with a Snapdragon 750G processor. It will follow the Moto G9 Plus that launched in Brazil with a 64 megapixel camera and a 5000 milliampere battery. Motorola is said to call the smartphone the Moto G 5G, which is said to launch in India this coming November 30. The Moto G 5G is also tipped to be arriving with the Moto G9 power. Both phones have been announced in Europe, but it is only next week the duo will reach in India. There is no official market release, but we know the device will be out in Middle East, Latin America and the rest of Asia. Flipkart has published a coming soon page for the Moto G 5G. This is a confirmation that a new 5G smartphone is coming to the new Indian market. What's more interesting though is that 5G in the country has yet to be accessible. Ironically, the Moto G 5G will be announced in India on November 30. It will be the most affordable 5G smartphone of India. This could also mean 5G connectivity may soon be ready in the country and Motorola just wants to be ahead of the competition in the emerging market. No confirmation about the specs and features, but the Moto G 5G is said to arrive with a large 6.7-inch Full HD Plus screen, 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution LTPS display, 394 ppi pixel density, Snapdragon 750G processor, 64GB onboard storage, 4GB of RAM, micro SD card slot for memory expansion and a 5000 milliampere battery. When it comes to imaging, there is a triple rear camera setup, 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel wide angle plus 2 megapixel macro. The selfie camera is 16 megapixels and the price is around $356 US, which is 26,500 Indian rupee.